Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'll make a pecking chicken. I'll start off by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. Then I'll unfold and I'll use the outside edges to fold towards that middle crease. I'll rotate my paper around, I'll flip over to the other side, and then I'll fold the sides in towards the middle. I'll flip over again and I'll use the tips of the diamond here and fold them in just a little bit. I'll flip over again and I'll rotate the paper around so I'm using the coloured section. Now I'll use that edge to fold to where the corners of the white part of the paper is. From here I'll flip over the paper once more and then I'll do a valley fold, just folding this in half. So when I flip it over now, I've got two sections. I can hold the right section in my hand and then I'll pull up the left section, which is the neck. And then if I do just a little pull on that little triangle there, I can do an outside reverse fold in a sneaky little way, which forms the head. This is really nifty. If you put your thumb and your index finger in these little pockets here, you can hold it and then move it so that it pecks. If you like, you can put some eyes on it and enjoy. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.